Life can be overwhelming. Stress, anxiety, constant noise. It all builds up. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural way to calm your mind and boost your mental health? It's called meditation. Meditation is an ancient practice used for centuries to promote mental clarity and inner peace. But did you know it's also scientifically proven to improve mental health? Let's dive into how meditation works wonders for your mind. When you meditate, your brain undergoes a shift. Meditation helps lower the levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. It relaxes your nervous system, reducing symptoms of anxiety, depression, and even chronic stress. Over time, it rewires the brain, enhancing focus, memory, and emotional resilience. Meditation also improves emotional health. It helps you gain better control over negative emotions and brings a sense of self-awareness. By focusing on the present moment, you're less likely to dwell on past regrets or future worries. Studies show that regular meditation can help prevent relapses in depression, reduce symptoms of PTSD, and even help manage ADHD. Just a few minutes a day can make a big difference in your mental well-being. Starting is easy. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and close your eyes. Focus on your breathing, inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Let go of any thoughts that come into your mind. It's okay if your mind wanders, just gently bring it back to your breath. Try different forms of meditation. Mindfulness meditation focuses on being present. Guided meditation takes you through calming visualizations, while breathwork allows you to control your breathing for relaxation. Consistency is key. Start with just 5 to 10 minutes a day, and gradually increase the time. Over time, you'll feel the shift: less stress, clearer thoughts, and a stronger, healthier mind. Meditation isn't just about relaxation, it's a powerful tool for mental health. So take a deep breath, close your eyes, and let your journey to a healthier mind begin. Remember, the mind is like water. When it's calm, everything becomes clear. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day.